Hey everybody, it's Riddle Ricky, and I've got a riddle for you. Big or small, we can solve them all. Our song today is called Summertime Fun. Now here's today's riddle. I come up in the morning, I go down at night. I make the world warm and the day nice and bright. What am I? It's the sun! Excellent guess!
Yay!
Fun facts about the sun. Did you know the sun is a giant star that helps make rainbows by light passing through the raindrops? That's what gives it all the pretty colors. The sun is so bright that it looks yellow, but it's actually white. Also, you should never look at the sun directly, as it can hurt your eyes. Now here's our song.
Sun is up, it's a brand new day. Blue sky smiling, come out and play. Put on shorts and sneakers too. Summertime fun is calling you. Grab your hat and sunscreen. The weather's the best it's ever been. Summertime fun, let's jump and run.
Hey! Laugh out loud till the day is done.
Hey! Splash!
Splash, splash, feel the sun. Summertime fun for everyone.
Hey! Ice cream cone, lick, lick, lick. Chase a frisbee, throw a stick. Kite up high, flying free. On the beach, it's you and me.
Swimming hard, making waves, making friends along the way. Summertime fun, let's jump and run. Laugh out loud till the day is done.
Splash!
Splash, splash, feel the sun. Summertime fun for everyone.
Barbecue time comes alive. Teeter-totter and slippery sides. Riding bikes and scooters too.
So many things for us to do.
Summertime fun, let's jump and run. Laugh out loud till the day is done. Splash, 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 feel the sun.
Summertime fun for everyone. When the sun goes down, it's not the end. We'll wake up in the morning and do it all again.
See you next time when you come back for more adventures.